Hello YouTubers, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to spot the real one and the fake one about these two Nike Thick Fleece joggers. Okay. Alright. Now it's so obvious which of these two guys here are fake. This one, as you can see, this zipper, the materials and the way they make these things is obviously it's not really good, while the original one, this one, as you can see, it is really smooth and very nice. See, while the fake one, oh shit, yeah. And then this one, it's not really good, while the original one, yeah, it's really good. And the logo as well, the logo, as you can see, it's a really big difference between the original one. See, the original one is, it's so nice. This one is shit. Yep. And also the details here is not really good, while the original one, this one, the genuine, as you can see, it's really nice. And this one, the fake one, look like shit. And then this one is medium. The original one is also medium, but as you can see, the size is not the same. It's not the same. See? See? All medium, but the size is not the same. It's quite smaller than the original one. Yep. And then the materials, the original one is so smooth, very nice. You can feel so nice and comfortable, while the fake one, it's not really bad, but it's a little bit thinner. Yeah. Anyway, if you have extra money, you have a lot of cash, so it's better to buy the original one, this one. But if you want to save more money and you really want to buy this kind of shit, so I think it's okay to buy the fake one. It's a little bit difference. So it's up to you guys, whatever you want, whatever you will need to buy, the original one or the fake one. Okay, alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you guys to how to spot the real one and the fake one. And it's up to you, whatever you want, whatever you need to buy, the fake one or real one. As I said, if you have a more cash, or if you have a lot of money or extra money, even this one is quite expensive, but it's worth it. It's really nice, good quality. If you have not enough money and then you want to buy this kind of shit, it's okay also. You're going to buy this fake one, it's okay also, but the quality is not really good than the original one. But still alright if you want to buy a fake one. I think nobody will asking you if you're wearing a original or fake one. It's up to you. It's depend you guys, whatever you want. Okay, so see you on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care and God bless. Cheers.